In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the billing cycle of your American Express credit card. If you've ever wished your payment due date lined up better with your paycheck or monthly budget, adjusting your billing cycle can make a big difference. Your billing cycle determines when your statement closes and when your payment is due, so shifting it can help you manage cash flow and avoid scrambling at the end of the month. Start by logging into your American Express account, either on the website or through the mobile app. Use a secure connection and make sure you're signing into the official American Express site or app. Once you're in, you'll be able to access all the tools you need to request the change. Next, head to the Account Services or Payment Options section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your card or the version of the app you're using, but you're looking for the area where you manage statements and payments. Take a moment to look around these menus so you know where everything lives for future reference. Now locate the option to change your payment due date or billing cycle. With many cards, changing the due date effectively shifts the billing cycle since the statement close date is tied to it. If you see options for different dates, that's normal. Issuers often let you pick from a set of available days in the month. Choose the new date that best aligns with your finances, then submit your request. A good rule of thumb is to pick a date a few days after your regular income hits your account, giving you a buffer for weekends or holidays. Once you confirm, you should receive an on-screen confirmation or an email letting you know the request was received. If you don't see the option online, you can call the customer service number on the back of your card. Let the representative know you'd like to change your payment due date or billing cycle, and they can walk you through what's available for your account. Keep in mind that many accounts only allow you to change your due date once every few months. Also, the change typically takes effect starting with the next billing cycle. That means your current statement and upcoming due date may remain the same, and the new schedule will kick in after your next statement closes. And that's it. That's how you can change the billing cycle of your American Express credit card. With just a few clicks or a quick call, you can set a schedule that works better for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay in control of your payments.